Hai sob, video kali ini saya akan membuat pipa cangklong dari sabut kelapa. Hasilnya unik dan bermotif, yuk tonton dan simak proses pembuatannya. Membuat pipa cangklong dari sabut kelapa. Sabut kelapa yang sudah kering. Sedotan bekas air mineral. Aluminium bekas antena TV. Batok kelapa sisa kerajinan lain. Bentuk sedotan dengan dipanaskan. Kurang lebih bentuknya seperti ini, sob. Penyambungan antara sedotan dan aluminium. Lem super. Setelah tersambung, bor bahan batok untuk variasi. Ratakan. Pasang di ujung aluminium. Setelah terpasang, lilitkan sabut kelapa sampai semua tertutup. Pasang variasi batok di bagian belakang. Lanjut lilitkan sabut kelapa. Rapikan. Bentuk permukaan supaya halus. Kurang lebih seperti ini. Tutup pakai serbuk pengamplasan. pada bagian yang masih berlubang.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving.
Potong sisa sedotan dan aluminium.
If you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Kemudian haluskan bentuk pipa. Karena ujung pipa lubangnya masih besar, saya tambah dengan lubang yang lebih kecil. Rapihkan bentuk secara manual. Haluskan dengan amplas nomor 240, 600, 1000, dan 5000.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
Setelah pengamplasan semua nomor,
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's
cat
gonna be a
bening,
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps
setelah
you
cat
take 'em.
kering.
I try to pick one
Sebenarnya,
thought, some
kalau tidak dicat
concentration. And if
juga
I make a
bagus sob.
mistake, it's
Cuman
called
harus dipoles
education.
lebih
I try to
ekstra.
do this every day, call it replication. Wake up,
Selesai.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.